Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0xc000012f, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, there's only one resolution, and a lot of users, hundreds of users have confirmed to this. We need to download and install the Microsoft C++ redistributable package. So here's what we can do. Simply search for Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable in the search bar and click on redistributable, and now click on Visual C, Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 19 and 22, and click on the second one if you have a 64-bit computer, and this one if you have a 64-bit one. So you need to click on x64 for a 64-bit computer and x86 for a 32-bit computer. After that, click on open, and then click on I agree to license terms, install, and then click on yes when you get the admin prompt, and just wait for a few seconds till it installs. And once it installs, you can reboot your system. After rebooting the system, your problem will be resolved. You simply need to click on restart here, or if you haven't closed programs, then close it and then restart it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.